Hello everyone, feeling those aches, stiffness, or just a bit less vibrant than you used to? What if the secret to feeling better, even in your golden years, was already in your kitchen? Today, we're revealing how one surprising, everyday fruit can combat 12 common health problems seniors face and help you reclaim your vitality. You won't believe the power of the humble tomato. It's easy to feel overwhelmed by the myriad of health advice out there. Sometimes, it seems like every day brings a new challenge or a new supplement to consider. But what if I told you that one of nature's most vibrant and delicious gifts holds the key to reclaiming a significant part of your well-being? Today, we're going to talk about something truly remarkable, something that's probably already in your kitchen. We're going to uncover the incredible power of the humble tomato. More specifically, I'm going to share a simple, delicious way to enjoy tomatoes that can help you combat 12 common health concerns often faced by seniors. Get ready to discover how this juicy fruit can become your ally in living a more vibrant, healthier life. This isn't just about adding a vegetable to your plate, it's about unlocking a powerhouse of nutrition that can truly make a difference. Let's dive in and explore the amazing benefits waiting for you. Let's begin by understanding why the tomato is such a nutritional marvel. It's far more than just a tasty addition to your meals, it's a concentrated source of essential vitamins and minerals that your body craves. Tomatoes are packed with vitamin A, crucial for vision and immune function, and vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant. They also provide a good dose of vitamin K, vital for bone health, and potassium, which supports heart function. Furthermore, you'll find folate, important for cell growth and repair. But the true star of the show, the component that gives tomatoes their signature red hue, is lycopene. Lycopene is a potent antioxidant, a true warrior against cellular damage. It's responsible for fighting off harmful free radicals in your body, which are unstable molecules that can contribute to aging and various diseases. This remarkable compound is what makes tomatoes a standout in the world of superfoods. It's this unique combination of vitamins, minerals, and especially lycopene that gives tomatoes their extraordinary health-promoting abilities. They are a testament to how simple, natural foods can provide profound benefits. Now, let's explore the specific ways these superpowers can address common health challenges. Maintaining a healthy heart is paramount, especially as we age. Tomatoes are exceptional allies in this endeavor. Their rich content of lycopene and potassium works synergistically to support your cardiovascular system. Lycopene has been shown to help lower levels of bad LDL cholesterol, which can accumulate in arteries and lead to blockages. Potassium, on the other hand, is vital for regulating blood pressure. It helps to counteract the effects of sodium, promoting healthy fluid balance and reducing strain on your heart. Regular consumption of tomatoes can significantly contribute to a lower risk of heart disease and stroke, keeping your heart strong and resilient. For men, prostate health becomes an increasingly important concern with age. Research has consistently highlighted lycopene's protective role in this area. Studies suggest that a diet rich in lycopene may be associated with a reduced risk of prostate cancer. This powerful antioxidant helps to prevent damage to prostate cells, inhibiting the growth of abnormal cells. While not a cure, incorporating tomatoes into your diet can be a proactive step in supporting long-term prostate well-being. It's a simple, natural way to contribute to your overall health strategy. Strong bones are fundamental for mobility and preventing fractures, a common concern for seniors. Tomatoes contribute to bone health through their vitamin K content. Vitamin K plays a crucial role in bone metabolism, helping your body utilize calcium effectively. It aids in the production of proteins necessary for bone formation and mineralization. While calcium is often highlighted for bones, vitamin K ensures that calcium is properly integrated into your bone structure. Regular intake can help reduce the risk of osteoporosis and maintain bone density, keeping you sturdy and active. Our eyesight naturally changes over time, and age-related macular degeneration is a significant concern. Tomatoes are a fantastic source of vitamin A, a nutrient absolutely essential for healthy vision. Vitamin A helps protect the delicate cells in your eyes from damage. It plays a key role in maintaining the health of your retina and improving night vision. The antioxidants in tomatoes also help to filter out harmful blue light, further safeguarding your eyes. By including tomatoes in your diet, you're taking a proactive step to preserve your precious eyesight and maintain visual clarity. Who doesn't want healthy, vibrant skin, regardless of age? Tomatoes offer remarkable benefits for your skin, working from the inside out. The powerful antioxidants, especially lycopene, combat free radicals that contribute to premature aging. These free radicals can damage skin cells, leading to wrinkles, fine lines, and a dull complexion. By neutralizing them, tomatoes help maintain skin elasticity and firmness. They also offer a degree of natural protection against sun damage, though they don't replace sunscreen. Enjoying tomatoes regularly can contribute to a more youthful, radiant glow. A robust immune system is your body's first line of defense against illness and infection. Tomatoes are an excellent source of vitamin C, a well-known immune booster. Vitamin C stimulates the production of white blood cells, which are crucial for fighting off pathogens. It also acts as a powerful antioxidant, protecting immune cells from damage. Regular intake of vitamin C helps your body mount a stronger defense against common colds, flu, and other infections. By incorporating tomatoes, you're giving your immune system the support it needs to keep you healthy and resilient. Chronic inflammation is a silent culprit behind many age-related ailments, including joint pain and stiffness. Lycopene, the star compound in tomatoes, possesses significant anti-inflammatory properties. It helps to calm inflammatory responses throughout the body. By reducing systemic inflammation, tomatoes can alleviate discomfort associated with conditions like arthritis. This can lead to improved joint mobility and a greater sense of ease in your daily movements. Embracing tomatoes can be a delicious way to soothe your body from within. Digestive health is fundamental to overall well-being, and many seniors experience issues like constipation. Tomatoes are a good source of dietary fiber, which is essential for a healthy digestive system. Fiber adds bulk to your stool, promoting regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. It also supports a healthy gut microbiome, fostering the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. A well-functioning digestive system ensures better nutrient absorption and reduces discomfort. Including tomatoes can help keep your digestive tract running smoothly and comfortably. The fight against cancer is a continuous journey, and diet plays a significant role in prevention. Tomatoes, with their rich array of antioxidants, particularly lycopene, are powerful allies in this fight. These compounds work to neutralize free radicals that can damage DNA and lead to cancerous cell growth. Studies suggest that regular consumption of tomatoes may be linked to a reduced risk of several types of cancer, including lung, stomach, and colorectal cancers. While no single food is a magic bullet, incorporating tomatoes into a balanced diet is a proactive step towards cancer prevention. They offer a natural defense mechanism for your cells. Maintaining cognitive function is a top priority as we age. The antioxidants found in tomatoes, including lycopene, are crucial for protecting brain cells from oxidative stress. Oxidative stress can contribute to cognitive decline and neurodegenerative diseases. By neutralizing free radicals, tomatoes help preserve the integrity of brain tissue. This can support memory, focus, and overall cognitive sharpness. Nourishing your brain with these powerful compounds can help keep your mind clear and agile for years to come. Managing blood sugar levels is a daily challenge for individuals with diabetes. Tomatoes are an excellent food choice for diabetics due to their low glycemic index. This means they cause a slow and steady rise in blood sugar, rather than a sharp spike. Their fiber content also helps to regulate blood sugar absorption. Furthermore, the antioxidants in tomatoes can help reduce oxidative stress, which is often elevated in diabetic individuals. Incorporating tomatoes can be a delicious and beneficial part of a diabetes-friendly diet, supporting stable blood glucose levels. Maintaining a healthy weight is crucial for overall health and can alleviate strain on joints and organs. Tomatoes are an ideal food for weight management because they are low in calories and high in fiber and water content. This combination helps you feel full and satisfied without consuming excessive calories. The fiber promotes satiety, reducing the likelihood of overeating. By adding tomatoes to your meals, you can enjoy a flavorful and nutritious food that supports your weight goals. They are a smart choice for anyone looking to manage their weight effectively and deliciously. Now that we've explored the incredible benefits, you might be wondering about the best way to consume tomatoes to maximize their power. This is where a little culinary magic comes in. While raw tomatoes are certainly healthy, cooking them actually unlocks even more of their superpowers. Specifically, cooking tomatoes significantly increases the bioavailability of lycopene. This means your body can absorb and utilize this potent antioxidant much more effectively. The heat breaks down the cell walls of the tomato, releasing the lycopene and making it more accessible. To further enhance absorption, it's highly recommended to consume cooked tomatoes with a healthy fat. A drizzle of olive oil, for example, helps your body absorb fat-soluble lycopene. This simple addition turns a healthy food into a true nutritional powerhouse. Think about roasting tomatoes with a little olive oil and herbs, creating a simple yet flavorful tomato sauce for pasta or vegetables, or adding cooked tomatoes to soups and stews. These methods not only make tomatoes incredibly delicious but also ensure you're getting the maximum health benefits. It's a small change that yields big results for your well-being. So, there you have it. The humble tomato, when enjoyed in the right way, truly is a delicious and powerful ally for better health, especially as we age. From supporting your heart and bones to boosting your brain and immune system, its benefits are vast and profound. It's a simple, accessible food that can make a significant difference in your daily vitality. We've covered 12 incredible ways this vibrant fruit can help you thrive. Now, I'd love to hear from you. What's your favorite way to enjoy tomatoes? Do you have a special recipe or a unique tip? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Your insights could inspire others in our wonderful community. If you found this information helpful and inspiring, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable health tips and motivation, and share this video with anyone you know who could benefit from these amazing insights. Let's spread the word about the power of natural foods. Remember, this information is for educational purposes only and should not be considered medical advice. Always consult with your healthcare provider before making any significant changes to your diet or health regimen. Your health journey is unique, and professional guidance is always recommended. Stay healthy, everyone, and I'll see you in the next video.